Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Kumar Singh. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 144. That is binary tree pre-order traversal. So we have to traverse the binary tree in pre-order. So what is the pre-order traversal? In pre-order traversal, as the name suggests, it's pre means first root, then left, then right. So this is the order of pre-order traversal. So right here, what is the order of pre-order traversal? Pre means root will be first, then left, then right. So first root, then left, then right. So how will we traverse this? So we can use many approaches to traverse this. So we will use recursive approach to traverse this. This will consume time complexity of big of n, so that it will reach at any node puts at least once. So that it will consume time complexity of big of n and stress complexity of big of n also, as will make an answer variable and store each node so that we can print our answer. So that's all about this approach. Now how will we do this? So to do this, we will make a pre-order traversal. We can make a pre-order function, and what we will take it, we will take the tree node, means the root node, and our answer variable. So first of all, we will check for the edge case. If we found something null, if the root is null, then we will simply return. This is the edge case, but also the base case of the recursion. So if root is null, then we will simply return. And so as it is pre-order traversal, then we will do root, then left, then right. So after checking, we will push the root value to the answer vector, then read, then again call the function recursively for the left, then add it below. We'll count the recursive function for the right. So for this, we will make a function of type pre-order. So return type we can say void of function, and we can say pre-order of type. This will store the address of tree node. So tree node, it as a pointer tree node root, and it will also accept answer vector, so that answer will be stored. So let's do this. At first, we will check for the base case. If root is null, then we will simply return, and this base case will also be, this edge case will be also be used as a base case for this recursive call. If our root is null, it's the base case, then we'll simply return. It will simply move back to the previous code. We'll simply return. Otherwise, it will pre-order double cell. Then simply root left right. Then simply push the root, then go left, then right. So simply push push the root value to the answer variable, then the root value to the answer variable, answer vector, then do a recursive call for left, then right. So pre o r d e r pre-order. We'll make recursive call for the left. Hence, root of left. Then again we will make a recursive call for the right. Root of right. Okay. After doing this, we will get our answer. So here we will make an answer variable which will store our answer. Then we will call this pre-order. function pre or pre-order function. Under this pre-order function, we will pass the root node and the answer vector. After after it will do the recursion again and again. Answer vector will have our answer. So at last, we will return our answer. So this is the approach how it will work. So it will work on three other directions: means root, then left, then right. So for example, we can use this example: one, then two, then three. How it will print? So at pre-order, root will go as one. So one is check. One is null. One is not a null. Then simply push one to the answer vector. Then one goes for the left. Left is null. Then it will return to the one. Then one having right. Yes, one have right. Then again it will check for two having left. Then it will put print two. Then at three it will check left or right, and it will three, and the same recursive code occurs again and again. So at every time it will visit each node at once. So the time complexity it will be big of O of n, and space complexity will also be big of n. As we are traversing each node at least one times, and in answer variable we are storing all the nodes after traversing. So first of all, let's compile and check for the test cases of three examples. So we have got a compile error here. Reorder root of left with along with the answer vector. Pass this recursive code along with the answer vector. Now let's compile and check for the test cases. So all the four test cases are passed. Now let's submit and check for all the test cases. So we can see all the test cases are passed successfully. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching this.